I just got my Russian Canary from a very good breeder. His name is Phil. It's a Russian Canary. I'm in San Jose, going back home now. Hey everyone that's been following me on YouTube. I wanted to show you guys this. I just got back from buying my Russian Canary from San Jose, and I found this guy like this. This the female. This the male Kambasu. It's a female. She got bit on her feet too, and her tails got plucked out. Came to check on my nest. On my Goldians on their nest, see how they're doing. They had 6 eggs, 4 fertile, 2 non-fertile. And while I was checking on them, that's why this ladder's there. I was checking on them. The Kambasus was right here. The male was dead. I'm assuming it's too close to the fence. The rats got him. Man, that sucks. I want to show you guys this video. It's not just cats that's predators, also rats. From my experience, past experience, it's rats. Rats will eat baby chicks, birds, anything that they could kill, anything that they could get. I believe they're living over here somewhere. I'm gonna set some traps tonight. But yeah, they killed it. There's my Goldens. It should be hatching by next week. There's my golden weavers, orange weavers. They're doing fine. So anyways, if you guys have birds, be careful. Rats will get them. Can you guys see that? Her tail, she only has like 2 feathers on her tail left. Her right foot also got bitten. But yeah, there's the canary that I just got. There's him right here. And that's my green singer. This is my young male golden. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Thanks for watching, everyone.